Started on a beach in Miami when I was all relaxed and listening to music. And my shows always come to me kind of fully formed in a song. So I was laying there calmly, and all of a sudden it was a vision of R&B vocals and fairies. And so that's when it was first born, and it became an idea that kind of percolated over time. It was 10 years until we got to this place, and lots of iterations, but it was always living on in my mind and picking up little pieces and parts that would add to it. When I saw the castle, we like to use the message and the setting to inform the storyline, so it got further refined. I think really what's interesting about this whole process is that a lot of the concepts and even the music and even the lyrics to the music and the storyline was written before current world events. And it's just becoming, it seems to be amplified in the meaning of it, because now the world has aligned with what is going on with the overarching message, this battle between dark and light, and how we need to find the light in ourselves, to fight the darkness, and to stand together. And just having that kind of camaraderie in this cast, and this ability to go off and be in this beautiful place with beautiful people. And the message that we're hoping to convey to the audience too is that they are part of this light. And to bring light into the world is what making mirth is. I wish everyone could live this way, the way that we do. And joy and happiness and play and mutual support and kindness and talent and music and dance and celebration. And I really want to invite people into our world to live this way. Like, we bring your joy and bring your expression and bring yourselves. And there are lots of people who are dressed in the audience, which is so much fun. Everybody just expressing themselves with amazing costumes. So I just ask that you take the spirit of this message and of this show and try to bring more light into the world.